Hey guys, Dalton RV. Here is a 2026 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 23MK. This is our #1 selling couples floor plan. It has a private front bedroom with an RV king size bed, mid split bathroom with a corner shower with glass enclosure, mid kitchen with a large U-shaped dinette in the slide out, and a rear sleeper sofa with a great view out the back of the camper of your campsite. This one has 200-watt solar package, dual propane bottles, power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks, an outdoor mini kitchen, and a backup camera. Come check it out.